Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain project efficiency in Maya, often metaphorically called money code. This concept is crucial for optimizing your production pipeline and ensuring cost-effective workflows. It's about smart resource management, from scene setup to final render, helping you save valuable time and computational power. Understanding these principles can significantly impact your project's budget and delivery schedule, making your work more streamlined and profitable. To implement money code, start with core optimization principles. This includes maintaining efficient scene organization, using proper naming conventions, and grouping objects logically. Carefully manage your polygon count, aim for a balance between detail and performance. Optimize textures by using appropriate resolutions and file formats, like EXR for high dynamic range or JPG for web-ready assets, ensuring they are not excessively large, typically under 4096 by 4096 pixels for most assets. Next, focus on render settings and resource management. Configure your render settings for optimal speed and quality, understanding the trade-offs between different sampling rates and ray depth. Utilize render layers to separate elements, allowing for more control and faster re-renders of specific passes. Implement efficient caching strategies for simulations and animations, saving computation time. Consider using a render farm for large projects, which can distribute the workload across hundreds of machines, drastically reducing render times from days to hours. Finally, leverage scripting and automation to truly embody money code. Write custom scripts for repetitive tasks, such as batch renaming, scene cleanup, or exporting multiple assets, saving countless hours. Explore Maya's API with Python or MEL to create powerful tools tailored to your workflow. Continuously monitor your scene's performance using Maya's profiler, identifying bottlenecks and areas for improvement. By embracing these practices, you can achieve a highly efficient and cost-effective production pipeline, maximizing your creative output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.